Today's topic is lesser omentum, and it should not be confused with the lesser sac, which is a different thing. Lesser sac is actually an abdominal cavity formed by the lesser and greater omentum, and the lesser and greater omentum, they are connected through epiploic foramen or foramen of Winslow. Lesser omentum is something different. That is actually the fold of peritoneum that connects stomach and duodenum to liver. It runs from the lesser curvature of stomach and first part of the duodenum to ligamentum venosum and porta hepatis on undersurface of the liver. Ligamentum venosum, it is the remnant of the ductus venosus. For details, if you want to know, you should see a lecture of fetal circulation. Then the porta hepatis, it is actually the main gate of the liver, and it transmits the common hepatic artery, common hepatic duct, and hepatic portal vein, but also the nerves and lymph nodes. So lesser omentum, it is actually the fold of peritoneum that connects the stomach and the first part of the duodenum to the liver, to the undersurface of the liver. This is the stomach. This is its lesser curvature. This is the greater curvature of the stomach. This is the liver, and this is the gallbladder. So the lesser curvature of the stomach and the first part of the duodenum, these are connected to the liver through the lesser omentum. Greater omentum is this one, which is from the greater curvature of the stomach. It hangs down like an apron, and then it is attached to the transverse colon. We will study this lesser omentum under three headings, that is the ligaments, attachments, and the contents. So first of all is the ligaments. Two important ligaments, hepatogastric ligament and hepatoduodenal ligament. As the name indicates, hepato means liver and gastric is the stomach. So the ligament, which is from the lesser curvature of the stomach to the liver, connecting these two, this is the hepatogastric ligament. And the hepatoduodenal ligament, which is connecting the duodenum to the liver, first part of the duodenum to the liver, that is the hepatoduodenal ligament. Both these ligaments are actually the parts of the lesser omentum. They are contained actually in the lesser omentum. So the hepatogastric ligament, which connects the lesser curvature of the stomach to the liver, here runs the right and left gastric arteries, and during surgery, sometimes this ligament is cut to access the lesser sac. Then the hepatoduodenal ligament, which connects the duodenum to the liver, it runs the portal triad, which is the bile duct, the hepatic artery, and the portal vein. Now the attachments, these are the superior and inferior attachment. The superior attachment are those that the margins of the ligamentum venosum and the margins of the porta hepatis. We already studied these ligamentum venosum and porta hepatis, where these two are connected. So the attachment includes the ligamentum venosum and porta hepatis, while the right side of the abdominal esophagus, stomach lesser curvature and first part of the duodenum. This is the esophagus, the lesser curvature of the stomach and the first part of the duodenum. So these are also the attachment, but we call them as inferior attachments. Then the contents are of the contents which are in the porta hepatis. This is the portal vein, hepatic artery, bile duct, lymph nodes, and the hepatic plexus. These are the contents of porta hepatis actually. So these are shown in green, and then the contents which are actually present in the near the stomach. in the stomach. These are the right gastric artery, left gastric artery, lymph node, and branch from the gastric nerves. Gastric artery is a branch of the celiac trunk which runs in the lesser curvature of the stomach from left to right, and then the left gastric artery, which is a branch of the proper hepatic artery. It runs from the right to left in the lesser curvature of the stomach, and it anastomoses with the right gastric artery. So these are the contents of the lesser omentum: the right gastric artery, the left gastric artery, the lymph node, and the branch from the vagus nerve, while the contents of the porta hepatis is bile duct, the hepatic artery, the portal vein, lymph nodes, and the hepatic plexus. These are the contents of the lesser omentum. I explained it through this image because it would be easier now for you to memorize. Like ligaments are two, which is already shown in the diagram, in the picture. That is the hepatogastric ligament and hepatoduodenal ligament. Then the attachments: the ligamentum venosum, the porta hepatis, the abdominal esophagus, the lesser curvature of the stomach, and the first part of the duodenum. Then the contents, which are the contents of the porta hepatis, and the contents of the stomach: the right gastric artery, the left gastric artery, the right gastric artery, the left gastric artery, the right gastric artery, the lymph node, the branch from the gastric nerves. These are the contents of the lesser omentum. Hope you find my video helpful. Thanks for watching.